In this video, I'm going to show you how to sort data in Excel while keeping the rows together. Let's open my example document. This is a multi-column table. Suppose you need to sort the country name in alphabetical order, but you need to keep the data rows with the country name so that the data does not mismatch with each other. To do this, click anywhere in your data table. In the title bar, click on Data. In the menu bar, click on Sort. When I click on Sort, you can see that it has automatically selected the whole data table. Make sure that the option called My Data Has Headers is marked. In the Sort By option, click on Country Name. Leave the Sort on option as it is and make sure that the order is A to Z. Click on OK. Here you can see that the country name is sorted in alphabetical order and the data rows are also changed along with the country names.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.